set na lang po para si Mami.
Yung set na Sarah sa'yo na.
Apa na yun?
Ano yung kailangan ko? Yung ID ko?
I-picture na lang po.
Kahit hindi wet signature, okay lang.
Yung sa natitira lang po sa inyo yung
Photocopy machine na dito. May legal. May office at that.
So this one, what we need 6 more copies of this, right?
Yeah. Pero on that, I'll make my own kasi kailangan wet signature para sa mga doors.
Okay. So this just for placeholder, ganun. Parang this represents 6 copies of a better printout, ganun. Are you having fun? And where does this go? They all go together?
Yeah, hands. And then the 5 sets ng SPA.
Aren't there 6?
I'll keep this already, no? Or do you want to keep the SPA?
What?
Do you want me to keep the SPA?
Yeah?
Kasi that will be also attached to the DOA set once we submit it to VIR. to the
Okay.
DOA.
Yeah, you know what to do with them. I don't know. I just do whatever he tells me.
Ako pala yan, sir. Ako na pag gano'n, no?
Oo. Papapagirma ko rin sa kanya yung SPA.
Ako nga pala.
Good luck. It's your turn.
Dinidak na yun sa CGV eh.
Diba, hindi ko alam. I just, tanggap lang ako, tanggap. Anong gagawin dito?
Let's copy na natin.
Okay.
Yung mga picture na price. Saan mo yun ang folder?
Yeah, I'll send you a copy, no? Okay. Si Asa na akin.
Hindi ka na busy.
Para kailan nakalista na rin. Mamaya makalimutan ko eh. See?
Pagkabilang naman si Ma.
Yes. And she's leaving tomorrow.
Tapos she's leaving tomorrow.
Fun, no?
Parang Quiapo lang, madam. Parang Quiapo lang.
$3,000 yan, ha? Ayun na. Yung binibili kong magandang rate na dollar, buti na nakabili ako magandang rate.
Kahit short period lang eh. Kahit short time lang yun.
It doesn't matter. It's all about that demand, yeah. It's all about how much are you willing to pay. And airplane travel is not cheap anyway.
Yeah.
Sandali. So, as far as the SPA is concerned,
I just need a size.
so it needs 3